Welcome to my channel. This tomato seed that were spread in the soil like 1 week ago, it has germinated and now is in nursery. This is how to grow tomato. We allow it to be there and covering it so that the power impact of the sun will be not too high on the tomato. So we cover it like this. If you have it plenty more than this, you cover it with some leaves, some palm fronds, and then you allow only little sun to have access to the tender tomato seedling. So that's what we have. We cover it with some few leaves like this so that the sun will still be able to reach that to make it grow. After like 1 week or 2 more, it will be ready for transplanting. And that is what we are going to do. So don't skip any part of this video and see what happens as we are going to transplant it the next 1 week. Follow along.